Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Magnifica. It was not producing any power, so we took it apart and we found that the front circuit board that really controls all of this stuff right here was not functioning properly. The power switch wasn't really working, so we replaced it with another one and we got power again. And that's when we noticed it had a pretty severe leak on the heating element. So we went ahead and replaced the coupling there that needed it, and it no longer produces a leak. So let's run this guy. Now that is looking pretty good. Got to stop this one manually, so let's do that. But there it is. So, thank you for bringing it in, Mariah. If you like our videos, please give them a like, thumbs up, follow the channel, and hit the bell for notifications. We make more of these all the time. Thanks for watching.